Coming home to self-love. Affirmation for every woman. Hello, my love. Welcome, welcome home. You've arrived in the perfect place and at the perfect time. This space is for you, a place where you don't need to be anything other than exactly who you are. You don't need to achieve. You don't need to impress. You don't even need to try. You just get to be soft, present, open. As women, we often carry so much. We carry responsibilities. We carry expectations. We carry others. And sometimes, in all that carrying, we forget how to carry ourselves with tenderness. But here, you are allowed to rest, to breathe, to melt into your own presence. This moment is sacred. It's a pause, a sacred returning to yourself, not to fix anything, but to simply remember the truth. You are already whole. You are already worthy. You are already enough. Take a moment now to arrive. Feel your body wherever it is resting. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel how the earth holds you without needing anything in return. Gently close your eyes if that feels right and begin to turn inward. I'm so happy you're here. This is your space. This is your time. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. And again, breathe in calm. Breathe out everything you've been holding. You don't have to be anything today. You don't have to prove, perform, or achieve. You are enough. Exactly as you are. In this moment, we gently come home to ourselves, to the woman within, the soft, powerful, radiant being that you are. This is a space for remembering, for grounding, for returning to love, the kind that begins with you. Let's begin together, gently, slowly. Let these words become your own. You can repeat them in your mind or out loud. You can simply listen. Let your heart receive. I love myself. I truly, deeply love myself. I accept myself fully. Right here, right now, I am worthy of love. I am worthy of my own tenderness. I give myself permission to be kind to myself. I give myself permission to be soft. I no longer wait for someone else to love me the way I crave. I become that love for myself. I nourish myself with compassion. I listen to my needs. I forgive myself for every moment I judged, abandoned, or ignored myself. I forgive myself completely. I begin again in love. There is nothing wrong with me. There is nothing missing in me. I am whole. I am complete. My heart is open. My heart is soft and strong. My heart is safe with me. I trust myself to hold my own heart with care. I no longer criticize myself. I no longer speak to myself with harshness. My inner voice is gentle, kind, and loving. I speak to myself like someone I love. I honor my emotions. I give myself space to feel. There is no emotion too big for me. Everything I feel is valid. I allow myself to rest. Rest is not laziness. Rest is sacred. Rest is a gift I give to myself. I am learning to choose myself, not out of selfishness, but out of deep respect for who I am. I look at myself with love. I look at myself with compassion. I am beautiful, inside and out. My body is my home, and I thank it. I trust myself. I trust my decisions. I trust my timing. I trust my own wisdom. I am safe in my own presence. I enjoy my own company. I do not need to be anyone else. I like who I am becoming. I am free to be exactly who I am. I let go of comparison. I let go of perfectionism. I let go of trying to be someone else's version of worthy. I choose to be on my own side. I choose to support myself. I choose to believe in myself. Even when I stumble, I offer myself grace. Even when I'm healing, I am still worthy of love. Even in my most vulnerable moments, I remain whole. I am proud of who I am. I am proud of how far I've come. I see my strength. I celebrate my softness. My love for myself grows every day. With every breath, I return to myself. With every breath, I return to love. I deserve joy. I deserve rest. I deserve abundance. I deserve peace. I am enough. I am always enough. I am more than enough. I am love. I am loved. I am loving. And again, I love myself. I truly, deeply love myself. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Feel yourself held. Feel yourself grounded. Feel your heart open, even just a little more. You have given yourself something beautiful today. Your presence, your love, your care. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing yourself. You are worthy. You are radiant. You are loved. If this brought you comfort, remember to subscribe for more gentle moments like this and share this space with another woman who needs to hear these words. Until next time, with love.